Is Klaviyo actually worth it in 2026? If you're researching Klaviyo, you're probably not looking for another email marketing tool. You're looking for a platform that can help grow revenue, improve customer retention, and make marketing more efficient. So here's the honest review. Klaviyo has evolved far beyond email marketing. Today, it's positioned as an AI-powered B2C CRM that combines email marketing, SMS marketing, customer data, analytics, automation, customer service, and AI into a single platform. And that's the biggest reason brands choose it. Instead of having customer data in one tool, email campaigns in another, SMS in a third platform, and analytics somewhere else, Klaviyo brings everything together. For e-commerce brands, that can be incredibly powerful. When a customer browses a product, abandons a cart, makes a purchase, becomes inactive, or reaches VIP status, Klaviyo can automatically trigger personalized campaigns based on those actions. That's where many businesses see the biggest return. Now, let's talk about what I like. The automation capabilities are excellent. The segmentation is powerful. The Shopify integration is one of the strongest in the e-commerce industry. And the platform continues investing heavily in AI features that help marketers create campaigns, analyze data, and automate customer interactions faster. But let's be honest about the downsides too. Klaviyo isn't the cheapest platform. As your subscriber list grows, costs can increase. And if you're a very small business with a tiny email list, some of Klaviyo's advanced capabilities may be more than you need right now. There's also a learning curve. The platform is powerful, but getting the most from it requires understanding customer journeys, segmentation, automation, and retention marketing. So who is Klaviyo best for? E-commerce brands, Shopify stores, D2C brands,